Bonjour, bonjour. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can code your own bundles. So it's going to look something like this if people want to buy bundles of multiple things. Before we continue, I have to give you a little disclaimer. Yes, you're going to have something that looks like this. However, your bundle isn't going to reflect accurately in your inventory. So if you create this bundle this way, the free way and cheap way, it's not going to, when someone buys the necklace and the earrings, it's not going to remove one stock from your necklaces product and one stock from your earrings product. You will be selling necklace earring as one SKU. So keep that in mind. The upside is it's free and you just follow the code. The downside is, you can't track inventory as well. If that's a deal breaker for you, go check out Bundler right here. It's an app, or Unlimited Bundles and Discount by Revy. It's another app. We reviewed both of those. You can go check it out. The more popular one is the Revy, the cheaper one is the Bundler, to basically use our affiliate link and help out the channel. That's what it comes down to. Okay, but back to the video. You want to create your bundles and you don't mind about the inventory tracking and you just want to do it on the cheap. Well, let's go then. We're going to go to online store right here. And the first thing first, we're going to click on actions and we're going to duplicate our theme right here. This is super important. If you don't do this, then if you mess up the code that's going to follow in the next minutes and you do an error, there's no way of you going back. So always work on a duplicate. While we're waiting, might as well be a good time that if you don't want to duplicate these themes, you can just install Rewind. It's an app that backs everything up for you. Super amazing. Affiliate link down below as well. Helping the channel again. Anyway, actions. Edit a code. There we go. We're going to go to sections right here on the left, and we're going to go to product-templates. It should be right here. Ooh. Then we're going to do command find on a Mac, control F on a Windows. The little search bar appears, and we're going to be looking for the word unless. Right here, this is what we're looking for. Unless the product is equal to empty. This right here. That's what we need. Right above that line, we're going to hit enter a couple of times to create spacing. Remember, spacing doesn't matter in code. And we're going to be pasting this piece of code right here. Now, at the end of the video, I'll tell you exactly where to get these pieces of code so you don't have to pause and retype the script. You can just copy paste it at the end of the video. First, let's walk it through so you have an idea what's happening. We click on save once you pasted it. Now we are going to add a new snippet. So right here on the left, we go to the snippet section. We do add a new snippet. It's going to ask us what our snippet is called, and we're going to call it product-bundle-cart liquid, exactly like that. Make sure there's no spacing in the back. Make sure there's no spacing in the front. Exactly like this. And we create the snippet. And we're going to be pasting this right here. Boom, enter. It should start with style and it should end with a closing div tag. Once that is done, we save that. Then we're going to create a second snippet. Yes, sir, madam. And this snippet is going to be called, drum roll, please, product-bundle-collection.liquid. We create the snippet and we paste the next piece of code in there. It starts with style and it ends with and if. We save that and you're never going to believe what we do next. We create yet another snippet. It's the last one, I promise. And this one is going to be called product bundle price. Again, with the names of the snippet, make sure to copy paste it. Just keep it simple. Otherwise, you're going to maybe add a space too much or something like that. And it's going to be a mess. Just copy paste this exact name. And then boom, the third piece of code. Again, at the end of the video, I'll tell you where to get all of this. Save. Make sure you saved all three of them. Yes, they are saved. Perfect. Okay, that's all we're going to do in the code section. Next, we're going to go to the product section right here. And first, we need to add tags. So let's say we want to sell the leather bag as a bundle. We're going to use the same tag for all the bundles. So tags are right here, and we always have to do the same thing. So we have to name our tag bundle with a dash. And afterwards, you can change whatever is after the dash. So you can do bundle 1 or bundle bags, for example. And that's going to be your bundle with all of your bags. Or bundle Andrew, because you like this channel and you want to name it Andrew. You can name it whatever you want as long as it's bundle dash, and then after that doesn't matter anymore. So let's do bundle bags. Add bundle bags. So now we created a new tag that's called bundle bags. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to duplicate this and I'm going to say, bundle, because it's going to be a bundle, black leather bag plus earring. I'm going to set it as active. Sure, I can track the inventory, and I'm going to duplicate the entire thing, but normally you would want some earring images as well. Duplicate. Now we just created a bundle product, black leather bag plus earring. And actually, let's add a third product. Again, bundle bags is the tag. So let's duplicate that one more time, and let's say bundle, number 3, because black leather black plus earring plus shoes. I'm going to duplicate the images, the inventory. I'm going to set it as active, and I'm going to duplicate this. Oh, one thing I forgot is because this is the leather bag, the earrings, and the shoes, I'm assuming the price is going to be higher. So, I will adjust the price to reflect my accurate price point. I will change my SEO preview and blah, blah, blah. I would add some images of like shoes and earrings in this case, and on the previous ones of just earrings. You get where I'm going with this. We save this. And so now we can preview this. And we don't see the bundle because this is not the right theme. So sorry about that. We go back to online store. Remember, we have been working on this one, not on the live one. So we click actions. And we publish it. Are you sure you want to publish? Yes, I'm sure I want to publish. Are you sure you want to like and subscribe to this channel to get more free coding tips? You should. It would be cool. Products. Let's go our black leather bag. That's our single black leather bag. Let's see the bundle one. Bundle number 3. More actions preview. Oh, there we go. Choose a bundle that works for you. Either I just want the leather bag, either I want the leather bag plus earring plus shoes, either I want the leather bag plus earring. Oh yeah, let's do this. I want this option right here, add to the cart. Cool, you got your bundle product called black leather bag plus earring. $300, and you want it in the color blue. If I just go to the zipped jacket, it's not a bundle product, so you don't have the bundle offering that's right here. What you can also do is you can hide these products from your feature collection. That way it doesn't mess it all up. For that, we can go to collections and we can remove the bags. Now you just see one bag in the collection, and when you click on it and you scroll down, you see all of the other options. Okay, so what have we really done here? We kind of circumvented the idea of really needing bundles in the core way you might originally imagine. So now a bundle is not going to be a collection of three individual products or SKUs. No, a bundle is going to be its own product. So like I said in the beginning of the video, if someone orders a bundle that is black leather shoes, bag, and earring, it's not going to deduct one inventory of your shoe, one inventory of your earring, and one inventory of your bag. It's going to deduct the bundle product or the bundle SKU of black leather shoes, bags, and earring. This one. Now, the main advantage of adding this code is that little slider down below. So people can see, oh, but wait a minute, this is the single product, the black leather bag by itself. And they scroll down and they say, oh, but I can also buy it in a bundle. And, it's going to save me some money, or the price is going to be different. I kept the prices the same now. I don't know why I did that, but you can obviously change the price for each. And then you're going to be able to have a higher average order value. I talked about average order value here. It's Super, super important for your Shopify store. So this is definitely a workaround. I hope it is useful for you. If you click the link down below, all the code is right there. You can copy paste it. It's going to work. Make sure to work on a duplicate version or have Rewind installed if you want to do that. And that's it. If this is not working for you for the inventory reasons, make sure to check out a review of the bundle apps. There is a monthly payment and this and that, but at least, you have your inventory tracking. Again, this is the free option. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more free stuff like this. See you in another video. Ciao.